This is the elevator at the SheiKra at Busch Gardens in Tampa Bay, Florida. This is Schindler 330A with vandal-resistant HT. Lantern's burned out, at least on the first floor. Look up to 2. And here you go up. Hope I don't get busted on this because I am not handicapped and that's all they use this for. That was smooth, wow. Rail's worn though. There too. Let's just hope there isn't a ride attendant right in front of it. Good. Back down to 1. There's the roller coaster. ADA phone. Certificate. Somewhere. Basic blue hospital-sized cab. Sorry, I'm using my dad's Google Pixel 3 phone again, but I don't have access to mine right now. I'm not sure this is installed. I'll check it on the way out. Luckily, I didn't get busted, I don't think. Here, back one. Brown doors. Interesting. 2013? That's a little newer than I thought. Now they're worn. There's a roller coaster going up. They're closing. That's going to be it.